If you don't have a modular kitchen and find it difficult to organize your kitchen, you can find all your organizing related solutions in this video. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I found this product most amazing and useful, which can be used anywhere in your house, and best part is there is no installation needed. You can use it on your kitchen cabinet doors or other room doors, even on your kitchen window, just like I am hanging it on my kitchen window. You can store whatever you want to in this organizer, like containers, kitchen towel, spice bottles, or even you can place some plants and pots. I always suggest to buy multi-purpose organizers to all my viewers, as you can use them anywhere in your house and not just restricted to use in the kitchen, because we all change our setting in few months and things get shifted from one place to another. So by buying multi-purpose organizer, it will be beneficial for you, and that organizer will not go waste. Even if you are not using it in kitchen, you can use it somewhere else in your house for different organizing purpose. There are so many options available to organize kitchen towels, but the one I am showing you is a very cost friendly and easy to use towel organizer. You can use it on cabinets, trolley doors, anywhere in your kitchen. Not only in the kitchen, but you can also use this to hang your aprons, stoles or garbage bags also. So this one is, again, you can use it for different things to organize. According to me, this is a very useful, cheap and simple organizer one must have. Chopping boards are also can be used in a multiple way. Other than chopping, you can use chopping board as an organizer to keep different containers and jars. You can use it on the kitchen countertop or even on the dining table to have different arrangements to give your dining table a different look. I have very good collection of beautiful trays, which I have shown in my previous videos also. These trays are very spacious and I can keep many jars and containers on them. You can use these trays for your oil bottles, tea, sugar containers, to keep them neat and organized on your kitchen countertop. Likewise, you can also use this tray on dining table and coffee table to keep things like salt, pepper bottles, water bottles and any other dining related things. These trays not only helps in keeping variants organized, but also change the look of your room, whether it is a kitchen or dining room. You may order such useful kitchen and household organizers and products from Miralink online shopping website. Miralink by Bulbul Shop has variety of kitchen organizers and other household products. Do check the website by just clicking the link from the description box below. Miralink provides you free delivery and free cash on delivery, along with easy returns and replacement in 5 days. You can also place your order through WhatsApp link given in the video's description. Do check the website and avail many exciting discounts and offers daily. From Miralink by Bulbul Shop, you will get variety of products at very reasonable price. Before placing order, do not forget to download the app for easy returns and refunds. These mason jars comes in a set of 6. Again, a very useful product for any kitchen, which can be used to store many grocery items as well as other food items like milk, chutney, batters, etc. in fridge. These are airtight and its glass is very high quality and odor free jars. Easy to wash because of wide mouth and also very easy to hold. You can store both dry and wet food items in these jars. Most used items like rolling pin and board takes up lot of space on your kitchen counter. Storing them on kitchen countertop is not a good option, so it's better to organize them vertically so that you can utilize the counter space for various other work. You can use this type of vertical organizer to organize your rolling pin and board. A very beautiful organizer which is actually a decor piece, a key holder, but can be used in kitchen to hang all your cutleries, scissors, opener, etc. And along with organizing these things, because of its vibrant color and design, it will brighten up your kitchen look also. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and these ideas will help you to organize your home and kitchen. Consider subscribing my channel and thank you so much for watching my videos.